We're out in the Sterling Meadows community in Van Alstyne. This available home by Stonehollow Homes has 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom, and a 3-car garage. This home is under construction. Let's take a look at it. Entering through the door with inset frosted windows arched down the top. Over here, you have your front dining space, window out to the front yard. And over here, it wraps around with the laundry room on the right, hookups along this wall, rack and shelf above, and through here, you have your 3-car garage. Along this wall, you have a step for storage, power along the wall as well, multiple windows over here, bringing in natural light from the front yard. Let's head back inside. Coming back around through the front entry, to the other side of the door, you have double doors into your front office, large window letting in light from the front yard. And over here, you have a walk-in closet with all your internet cables as well as your coax and power. Heading back down the hall, it leads into the main living space. Large windows bringing in light from your backyard, additional windows above, and the open concept design flows into your kitchen. Large kitchen island, really deep area for you to sit with stools. And under here, you have additional cabinet storage. Along this side, you have your walk-in pantry, long with plenty of shelving. Continuing into the kitchen, you have a large single basin sink, your dishwasher on the right. You have your microwave and double ovens with your 5-burner gas stove and an updraft above. Plenty of cabinet space, tile backsplash, power all around. And right here is your fridge space. At the end of the kitchen is your dining space. Tall windows out to your backyard. And the door out to the covered patio has the built-in blinds. Past the kitchen, you have this hall with double doors into the media room. Power all the way around. Your cables come out right here with your Cat 6 beside it. At the end of the hall, you have a bedroom suite. Window out to the front yard. And over here is your ensuite full bath. And at the entrance of the bedroom, you have your walk-in closet, 2 racks with a shelf above, and more shelving on the side. Wrapping back around the hall past the media space. Over here, you have 2 doors entering this bathroom, acting as a full hall bath as well as an ensuite full bath to the bedroom just over here. Window out to the backyard, and a walk-in closet with the same design as the last one. Double racks, shelf above, additional shelves on the side. And going back into the bathroom, you have a step-in shower with tile all the way to the ceiling. As well as a bench. Passing back through the kitchen and the open floor plan main living space, there's a hall over here with a hall closet, with a hall half bath. Continuing into the primary suite, nice large space with 4 large windows looking out to the backyard. And over here, you have double doors entering into the primary bathroom. The tile work is in progress for the large and deep soaking tub with a large privacy window above, letting in natural light into the bathroom. with split dual vanities. Right off the entrance, you have your toilet room. And this is a large linen closet. Tons of shelves all the way around. And a step-in shower with a bench seat and tile all the way to the ceiling. And at the end of the bathroom, it flows into the primary closet with windows on both sides, racks and shelves all the way around, and then a mirror of it on the other side. Heading out to your extended covered patio. Power along the walls, lights along the ceiling for when you hang out and enjoy the nice summer nights. On this 1 acre lot, you have a nice large backyard, plenty of space. If this home and community interests you, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality. Let's take a look at Van Alstyne's historic downtown.